Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Yes, it is Mantralaya. It is around 400 kilometers drive from Bangalore. This video covers the road conditions, and my experience along the way. So let's get started. We started from RR Nagar around 5 am, took the Google Map suggested route, that is via Care Market, Majestic to reach Hebbal. There was a little traffic, but managed to cross Hebbal within 30 minutes from RR Nagar. Google Maps misguided me and shown route via Nandi Hills, which is having village roads like this. And this has added 30 more minutes to actual travel time. Finally, joined highway and heading towards Anantpur. It is all 2-lane roads and road conditions are okayish, but there are too many humps and road crossovers on highways. It will not only test your patience but also dilutes the purpose of highway. And do note that no such good restaurants on this highway. For veg restaurant, I had to drive till Anantpur Pakashala, which is located on right side of the highway. So U-turn adds 15 more minutes to your travel time.
In 500 meters, keep right to continue on National Highway 44.
Even though food was good, restaurant is not having attractive ambience. No other good options towards Mantralaya and even in Mantralaya except temple food. So please plan to have food parceled if needed. Heading towards Gutti, and again road humps are the highlights here. Another worst aspect is that all toll booths are in manual entry mode, unlike automatic tolls in Karnataka. That is, they enter vehicle numbers manually and hit the gate open key. Not sure if this is how it operates in Andhra and all toll gates. From timestamp in this video, you can make it how long it takes to pass one vehicle.
The next left onto Chennai Road, Hyderabad, Bangalore Gutti village limits.
After Gutti until Adoni, it is all single roads and patchy in between. Hope you are able to make it from the noise of my car. These are windmills, and this is for the first time I got chance to view from such a close distance. From Adoni bypass, road towards Mantralaya is good. Though it is single lane, roads are wide enough.
plus lemon masala.
Entering Mantralaya, it took close to 7 hours, 430 kilometers distance, and a total toll fee was rupees 405. My car gave the low mileage of 18.5, especially due to road humps. Near the entrance, they do one-time charge of rupees 50 per vehicle entry. And note that most of the transactions in Mantralaya is cash only mode. There are few ATMs and most of them will not work. So plan to carry cash accordingly. Left side is the main temple, and here is the parking area. You get to see all these guest houses owned by temple opposite to parking area. This is the way to temple from guest houses. Construction work is going on, so please wear slippers and be careful when walking. Temple opens at 4 pm. It is ideal time to visit before 4:30 considering less crowd. Before entering the main temple, it is a custom to visit Manchalamma temple first, which is on your right side to main temple. On your right side from Manchalamma temple, river side can be reached, but it is unclean and no maintenance at all. Heading back to Bangalore, but taking Ballari route. That is, via Adoni, Ballari, Hiriyur, Sira, Tumkur, Bangalore. I went to fill the petrol. Petrol price was around 109, whereas it is 103 in Karnataka. Coming to road conditions, road humps are very less compared to Anantpur roads. Yes, in between there are patchy roads as well, especially roads of Ballari connecting to highway. But it is all wider roads. And highways you get to see are of very good conditions. And many tolls belong to Karnataka, hence no manual entry to open gates. Again, I have chosen Pakashala, which is located in Shira, for meals. But I do not suggest this Pakashala considering overall cleanliness. Heading to Bangalore, and it is usual congestion as you cross Tumkur. I took nice road to reach RR Nagar. This route took close to 7 hours 15 minutes drive, 476 kilometers distance, and a total toll fee was Rs 590. Yes, it is around 40 kilometers extra compared to Anantpur route, and toll fee is also higher, especially due to nice road. However, I have found this route comparatively better due to less vehicular movement still NH4, and my car gave the usual mileage of 20. That's all I had it for now. Hope you have found the video informative. If yes, please share it with your circles and show your support by subscribing to my channel. If any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. This is Tech Devotee signing off. Bye for now.